Hello, I'm Shauna. I'm passionate about pages and I love a bargain. I'm here today to talk to you about a new shopping category that Stampin' Up have introduced to their website. So just log in to the shopping website and go to specials, and you're looking at last chance products. That's the new category. What they've done here is they've put any products that are nearing the end of their shelf life. They're either the catalogue that they're in is about to end, as in these two Christmas theme ones. They're in the catalogue that's ending in December, or they're from a limited release product range, or they're from, they've been in the warehouse for a long time and they're wanting to clear the shelves because they've got lovely new products coming. Some of the last chance products are at full price because it's just letting you know that they're due for retirement. Others will be discounted because they've been on the shelves a long time, they're older products, and they want to move them. The way that you can find things on the last chance list is by using the filters. There's one set of filters on the left, and there's a way to sort the list. Okay, there's over 200 items have been added to this list, and every other month the list will be updated with new last chance products will be put on it. So currently it's showing you from products that are newest, so ones that are in current catalogues, but you can click down, and if you're looking for older things, you can click for, have the older things show first. You can sort by price, you can sort alphabetically. So whatever works for your brain, you can use that sorting process. Okay, then over on this side is the filters that you will see on other shop pages over here. Okay, they're reasonably standard. You can look for things that are low inventory. So when you click on that, these are things that there's not a lot of stock left in the Australian warehouse. Okay, so I tend to look here first and go, oh, okay, so this or this or this are on my wish list. I did buy this recently and have used it in my upcoming workshop, and I love that fine line with the dots, and that framed circle is divine, and that one is heavily discounted and it's showing its low inventory. Okay, if I want to get out of the filter, I just click clear. You can also filter by the discount. So if you're looking for a bargain, you're looking for some gift giving, stocking fillers, things like that, you might want to start through with what's the most heavily discounted products that are in here, and you will probably find that there's things you haven't seen before, especially if you came across from close to my heart, that might be a lovely surprise for you along the way. And so, this is the second place I go because I like to save money, and you'll see that there's 4 tabs you can go through here that, they're 50% off. That's a really great discount there, and there might just be something that you were wavering on getting, and it's back. Okay, you can sort by colors, you can sort by the size. I just wanted to point out with the size, you can look at it in inches or in centimeters. Okay, so this is where I go if I'm looking for paper packs, and I'll choose either 12 by 12 or 6 by 6, and that will let me reduce the number of panels that I'm looking through. Okay, and you'll see that a lot of these papers are heavily reduced as well. So again, good bargain hunting. You can look by filter by price. You can filter by which catalogue it's in. You can filter by whether they're stamp or photopolymer or cling stamps. You can filter by the kind of stamp they are. You can filter by occasion. So if you're looking for something specific, it'll filter out the things that aren't with that theme. You can filter by block size. You can filter by technique, like how you use the stamp. You can look up the suites and just choose those, and you can look up by special days and seasons of the year. So I think it's a great filtering system, and those of you that struggle with the website, it's probably because you're not using that filtering. Okay. The other way you can always use it is if you know a part number or you know part of the name of the product, you can type in a word here and click the magnifying glass, and if there's anything that matches that search term, it will bring it up for you, and it won't necessarily only be in the last chance products. Okay, so I just wanted to talk to you about wish lists. If you are looking for something, I just want to show you something that I spotted earlier. My kids took their kids cherry picking over the weekend, and I was like, oh, I don't have stamps for cherry picking, and looky here, I have never seen this before. It's obviously from a much older product release, and it's a punch that makes these cute cherries. So I clicked on the wish list, and I have made up a last chance wish list, and I can add that to my last chance wish list. Okay, sorry, I just took it off there. And then what that means is when I'm placing orders, if I go up to here, it shows me my wish lists, and when I'm placing an order, I can go here first and add things to cart. If something you added isn't here when you come back, it means it's sold out. Okay, and I can add that to cart, then I can go back and do the rest of my shopping or use my other wish lists that I might have had. Okay, so I hope that helps you, and yeah, go and make yourself a cup of tea and have a little look through. Bye for now.